DXYZ Stock Analysis and Price Predictions in 1 minute time. Watch this short video till the end to gain clarity on whether I'm buying or selling next. So Destiny Tech 100 stock is super interesting. Now, when I say that I'm quite bullish, that doesn't mean that I'm automatically buying. But to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you all of that because that is the truth, and I've documented everything. So Destiny Tech 100, what I want to see is like a double break. The double break above, um, first of all, 2654 and onward. When that happens, only then I'm going to look for those upside moves, because then that's bullish momentum. Because it's a dumb thing to just be bullish on this bearish momentum, man. Because most of the times, like even if you have a stop loss, you're just gonna get stopped out, because it's bearish. We don't know if it's gonna continue or not. So that's why first I want to see the bullish momentum, and when it happens, only then I'm capitalizing on it. So for a free course and resources, check the first link in the description because it's free and I don't sell courses. See you in the next video.